Alright, this video is to show how to log on to IXL. So you should be clicking on the link provided in the Microsoft Teams, and that link is ixl.com/sign-in/BannekerHS. This is what should come up when you put in the correct link. It says Banneker High School with a Trojan. So you're going to put your username in here. Alright, you should be able to click on Learning and Math. Now all the different IXL math comes up. So for geometry, we're going to click on the G tab for geometry. So if you see these tabs right here and you're not on the G for geometry tab, go ahead and click on that G for geometry. This gives us all the geometry skills. Now the skills will be assigned by a letter and a number. So the first geometry skill that I assigned was L2. So you're going to look for the L's, which is right here under transformations, and you're going to go to L2, which is translations, graph the image. You click on that, and once you click on it, a practice problem will come up. This says graph the image of triangle BCD after a translation 6 units to the right. So I'm just going to move each of these points 6 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to click right there, and it puts the first point there. All right, then I'm going to start at C and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll put my next point here, and then I'll start at B and go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've graphed the image after a translation 6 units to the right. I click on Submit, and it will tell me that's right. You'll also notice that my SMART score went from 0 to 10. So in order to get credit for the IXL, you'll need to get a SMART score of 80 to get credit for the assignment. Now let's say I just get something wrong. I do the question incorrectly. All right, I brought my SMART score down by 1 number, but it also gives me an explanation. So this is the correct answer here. It says graph the image after a translation 1 unit right and 6 units up. Here's what I answered. A translation slides a figure to a different location, so I'm just moving each point to the correct location. All right, and that is it for IXL.